it starts out. It goes C sharp minor at the 4th fret, B at the 2nd fret, G sharp minor. Yeah, so it goes to the B the first time, and then the second time goes to E. That's why that little riff is playing that little on the piano. So C sharp minor to B, G sharp minor, and then it starts over. C sharp minor, E, G sharp minor. And then for the most part the song goes sticks with the C sharp minor, E, but then a couple times it throws in that B. And then in the middle of the song, they have like a kind of crescendo, and then they have a little section where they go between E and B. And then, sometimes they go towards the end of the song. Sometimes they throw that B in. I'm playing it here at the 7th fret. The song is in the key of E, so E is the 1 chord. That's why it's more happy when they go to the E to B, because it's more of a major sound. Cool song though, cool lyrics, cool everything. Alright, thanks for watching, bye.